Hi, my name is Susan England. I'm with Land Design. We are the landscape architects for Lumen. I'm here with Bob Miller with Sundek. We were looking for something unique. The project had a lot of challenges, a lot of space constraints. We were trying to create something special. So we asked Bob to join us in this collaboration to see what we could come up with. So along with the aesthetic, we also wanted to make sure that we had a product that was going to hold up long term, be easy to maintain. I think based on this collaboration and all of that experience, really, this won't be our last time working with them. We will absolutely continue to recommend them to clients and use them every chance that we get.